Hello guys, I'm greeting you on our channel, and today I will tell you and I will show you how to correctly activate the promo code and get the maximum bonus up to $515. And first of all, for this we need to download the application from the official site. I will leave the link in the pinned comment, and in the description you can find our actual promo code. Next step, go to the application, and if you have an account, then log out of it. After that, you need to click registration. In mini registration you can see 4 variants. Right now I will choose my phone. Code is your code of your number, current country, and phone number. I will enter the random number. You need to enter your current number, current value to US dollar, and select your bonus on sports or on casino. Enter the current promo code is and accept all the rules. Next, tap on the green check mark, but I didn't because my number is wrong. But you will see on your screen your actual login and password. I recommended you to screenshot this for pleasure or change it right now for didn't lose your big bonus. Next, go to our final step in account deposits menu. In this menu, in order to receive a bonus, you need to replenish the balance in any way convenient for you. Balance is replenished almost instantly. Guys, if you have any questions, then ask them in the comments. I will definitely answer them. Goodbye and good luck to all. Have fun.